Welcome back, cruise enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a cost comparison of traveling on two iconic ships, the historic RMS Titanic and the modern marvel, Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. Let's explore how the costs compare for these two legendary vessels. So, what did Jack pay, and what about Rose and her family's top-tier accommodations? Let's find out. By the way, there was definitely room on the door for Jack. The Titanic was a modern marvel thought unsinkable. This awesome nautical marvel offered a spectrum of cabin options. From what I could find, a third-class ticket cost $35 in 1912, equivalent to approximately $1,100 today. A second-class ticket was $60 in 1912, equivalent to approximately $1,800 today. Berth ran $150 in 1912, around $4,000 today, and a suite charged $4,350 in 1912, equivalent to over a crazy $133,000 today. That's definitely pricey. The Titanic offered a range of ticket prices, reflecting the different levels of luxury and accommodation available. First-class passengers enjoyed opulent suites, while third-class passengers had more modest accommodations. Next, the Icon of the Seas. Ticket prices vary a ton, based on a bunch of variables, so I peeked at a random 7-night sailing and came up with this. An interior room starting price is over $1,900 for the 7-night sailing. A balcony cabin sets you back $2,400, and a Royal Class suite starts at $4,000. But the Icon has the ultimate family townhouse. This bonkers suite has apparently been booked for a whopping $80,000 or more. That's ridiculously out of my price range, but I guess I can dream, right? The Icon of the Seas offers a huge variety of cabin options, from interior rooms to luxurious suites, with prices reflecting the level of comfort and amenities provided. So the Titanic's ticket prices were super high for its time. The cost to travel on the Icon of the Seas can get sky high, reflecting the modern amenities and experiences offered. The Titanic's first-class suite, adjusted for inflation, would be a super extravagant booking, even by today's standards. But the Icon of the Seas offers a much greater range of cabin options to suit different budgets, making it way more accessible to a broader audience. Oh, and the Icon has water slides. Just stay away from icebergs, please.